Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on a unboxing and review on my new green light. So I ended up ordering it off of Amazon, and it is, so the brand is, I think it's pronounced Andoer Portable background, and it's spelled Andoer. And I spent about $130 for it. It took a few days to get here. So it wasn't too bad as far as the shipping and waiting for it to arrive. So if you guys would like to see how I, set it up and put it together, just of course tune in. I will say that I thought this would be convenient. It's a portable retractable one that just let it up and down. I thought this would be better for me than to have the kind of backdrop with the fabric that you have to put up with the clips. I needed something that wasn't too big for the space that I have in my wherever I put it. And as far as the portable one, it's portable, so I'm able to move it around all over my house or even take it to a different destination. So again, if you guys would like to see how it looks once it's put up, stay tuned. Oh, it's pretty big. Oh my God, it is heavy. Okay, so this is how long it is. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, so it's pretty long. So it is pretty long. Okay, so here's the green screen. It is pretty big. Let me see if I can dim it a little bit. Like, it is truly tall. Let me show you the back of it. Well, let me dim the light so you can actually see the color. Okay, so there's the light off so where you can actually see the color. It's almost touching part of my ceiling. There you go. Let me show you the back. Okay, so and this is the back of the green screen. So it is pretty heavy, and when you raise it up, it seemed like it's gonna fall, so I had to put my bar stool on it to keep it, you know, standing up. Maybe if I lower it a little bit, it won't, you know, try to tip over. But overall, I like it. Okay, yeah, here's the green screen. Again, so like I said, I'm going to be using this to help with me changing the, you know, the background colors or anything that I want to put as far as the background. You know, this will be helpful as far as using Chrome key, basically on any software editor that you may use. Like I said, it's pretty tall and it's pretty big. So I hope you guys truly enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And any questions that you guys have about the purchasing of the product, how long it took me to decide on which green screen I wanted, just message me in the comments and I will be glad to answer your questions. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.